everyone, welcome back to the Python Day 5 series. In this episode, we are diving into a essential part of Python, that is numbers. Python numbers. Python gives us three main numeric types, that is integer type, float type and complex. And they are the backbone of the everything from a simple calculation to the data science and beyond. We will walk through the each type with an example, explain how Python handles the math operations and the clear up common mistakes along the way. Let's get started. Here, first one is integer. Here, integer means integer numbers, that is 1, 5, 53, 25, 21, like that. Those are called integer type. And here the float type. Float type is nothing but a decimal values, that is 1.5, 7.9, 8, 8.5, like that. Here 8 is a integer, 8.5 is a float. And the complex. The complex is nothing but a one alphabet and one integer type, like 1j. Here 1 is an integer type and k is a alphabet. Those are called the complex, both alphabets and the numeric. Okay, next, variables of numeric type are created when you assign a value to them. I will explain clearly. First of all, in Python you do not need to declare a variable type before, like you do in the other languages such as Java or Python. Instead, Python automatically creates a variable of a certain type based on the value you assign to it. When you assign a numeric value to a variable, Python will automatically detect and assign the appropriate numeric type. For example, int. If you give the int value, it takes automatically and gives the int type or float or complex to the variable. Okay, now I will give the code, example code of this. Example code is x equal to 5. I will assign x equal to 5, y equal to 10.5, z equal to 1j. Okay, now I am printing print type of x type. Okay, next, print type of y, and the next, print type of z. Okay, see, here x type is integer, so it prints int. Here y type is float, so it prints float. So and the z type is 1j, it is a complex, so it prints complex. That's it. So here x becomes the int, so because 5 is a whole number. Here y becomes float because 10.5 includes a decimal. Z becomes a complex number because it both carries the alphabet and the numeric also. Now I am writing example code for the int type. Okay, first x equal to 1, and then x equal to somewhat number, sorry, in this y. Next, z equal to minus 12. Okay, now I'm printing type of these numbers. What the output is? All are integers. Integers takes both positive and negative numbers also. Okay. And the next one is I will tell about the float. Float or floating point number is a number, both a positive and negative, contains a one or more decimals. For example, x equal to 10.67, y equal to minus 3.45. Okay, next. Now I'm printing. Print type of x. Next, print type of y. See what's the output. Both are float. Both negative and positive numbers contains the float value. Okay. Next, I'm going to the complex. And one more thing, float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicates the power of 10. I will give the example. Z equal to minus 87.7 e 100. I'm printing the Z also. Print type of Z. See, float accepts the e also. E is the power of 10. Okay. And the next one is a complex. Complex numbers are written with a j as the imaginary part. For example, I will take some examples. In this example, I will take x value as a 3 plus 5j, y value as a 5j, and z value is minus 5j. Here I am printing the type of x, y, and z. Now I am printing all complex types because one alphabet and one numeric value, that is one integer value. It takes both the positive and negative also. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.